Hello everyone. So today let us solve a question of t-test. So the question is 10 individuals had taken an exam. We want to test whether their scores altogether are significantly different from the score of 100. Here we need to find the value of t, and it is given that x bar is equal to 107.8 and sigma is 5.35. Here we need to find the value of t. Okay. Now the formula of t, that is the formula of t test, is x bar minus mu by sigma by root n. Okay. So x bar is 107.8 minus mu is 100 by sigma is 5.35 and root n is 10, because in the question it is given 10 individuals had taken an exam. So n is 10, root 10. So after calculating this, we get our answer, that is 4.61. Okay. Now we'll take the hypothesis, that is the null hypothesis. H naught is mu is equal to 100, because in the question it is given, means we need to find whether the scores altogether are significantly different from the scores of 100. So our null hypothesis is the scores are equal to 100, and our alternative hypothesis, that is H1 is equal to mu is not equal to 100. Okay, so our null hypothesis is the scores are equal to 100, and alternative hypothesis is scores are not equal to 100. Okay, so in t-test we have to find the degrees of freedom. So how we'll find our degrees of freedom? We'll find by n minus 1. We know our n is 10 minus 1, we get 9. So our degrees of freedom is 9. Okay. Now at 5% level of significance, I'm writing SIG, that is significance, alpha, that is 0.05, and at degrees of freedom is equal to 9, our value is, we need to find from the table of the t-test, where we get the value is 2.26. I repeat, 2.26 you will get in the table of t-test. There we need to find the alpha, that is at 5% level of significance, where degrees of freedom is 9, we get our value as 2.26. Okay, so this 2.26 is our tabulated value, because we got this from the table. This is our tabulated value, and previously we got 4.61. By calculating through the t-test, we got our answer as 4.61. So that was our calculated value. Okay, 4.61 is our calculated value. So from this we can see that the calculated value is greater than the tabulated value, that is 4.61 is greater than 2.26. Okay, so calculated value CV is greater than tabulated value. Our calculated value was 4.61. I have already solved 4.61, and the tabulated value which we got from our table is 2.26. Okay, so when calculated value is greater than the tabulated value, we accept our alternative hypothesis. Accept alternative hypothesis, that is H1. And what was our alternative hypothesis? That marks are significantly different, that is H1 mu is not equal to 100. So it means that marks are significantly different. I'm writing as diff. Okay, so we got our answer, that is the scores altogether are significantly different from the scores of 100. Okay, because alternative hypothesis mu is not equal to 100, so marks are significantly different because we have accepted the alternative hypothesis. I hope you understood this equation. Thank you.